Hello everyone, I dey greet una o, I dey greet una say una welcome to another gist day for TTIC platform for YouTube. If you know so you never subscribe now, you know as it dey. May you just help us, give us one subscription o. God will bless you. As you support us, may God remember you too in every area of your life where you need help. May God still see you for there. So we thank God for life. We thank God for everything wey He do for us. We are very grateful. Wetin I don't come for can talk today about be say, una know say if God they take care of us spiritually, we get to take care of our own self too, physically. Physically, like as I dey talk all the time to take care for yourself as a woman or as a man. Today I want to talk about this what they call them, cancer of the uterus. Okay, where now it dey kill women now slowly. Many of us women, it be like say that thing, they concern us at all until when you don't say it don't knock down one woman, and that time where your eye they do this one don't they happen. And many people they where the thing they happen to them, but they know they talk about them. They know they talk because we like Africans, we know say to the hide sick, that be the problem. Maybe they hide. Sometimes if I know they blame some people where they hide, because when you go talk now, people go they use them against you. People go they use them like an insult. But you don't know say when person they get a situation and then you bring them come out. Now say you won't help other people. No be say because many people use and they insult you. But as you don't be now, everybody they protect your interest. So nobody want to talk about them. And the thing be say, they always they talk about things where no concern us. The ones where they really they eat us slowly. We know they talk about them. So what did they be say? I just want to create awareness to make women, make them know say this kind of thing a day where it don't they kill women now plenty. The thing be say we they know say woman they get you they get menstrual pain, okay, and you they bleed heavily sometimes. But we know they know the cause because we always want to treat ourselves the local way. Like when you get again menstrual pain, you go take a fine paracetamol or whatever pain-killing tablets you take. The thing be say when these pains they insist, not be every month now you go they take a paracetamol and drink hot tea, all those things. Sometimes they will when this pain don't dey too much like that. No come carry and sit down for inside house. No carry and sit down. Make you take your body, go for hospital. Make them go check wetin dey your body. Wetin they cause those pain. Wetin they cause that heavy bleeding. Many of us now say, we don't dey forget. Say if body no dey well, person no go get strength where we go look for money. Now when your body dey well, body be like engine. If you no dey well, you know if you walk, you know if you do anything. But we dey look at the physical. If your body, be like a wound where dey your hand, you know go still know say something they do you. Because we dey say now when waiting they pain you, they physical. Now that time where you go know so okay, I get see where they worry me. But the one where they pain you for inside body, where you know they see them, you know they take them like anything. So waiting they be say when you they get this pain, make una they go for hospital. And even now safe, it good. As now like for people where they for Bodo Yibo, government don't kuku make and una know say insurance dey. You know they pay anything, you know they take you anything, but we dey neglect this thing too much. That time where you go just take the insurance card where you they take go for hospital, you go there, you go give them, then check you. Now na to inform una make una know say some of una dey una no know. Checking day every year what they do now for cancer, for breast and the one for down there for vagina, for the uterus. They do am every year now like this. To the control. Because if you go for control, if anything, they way they worry you. If anything, they way they grow for your body. If anything, they way they go wrong with your blood or anything, they go quickly, they know am. Make person no come to say, I know they sick. I know they sick, but you know they pay me. Are they well? Because you they wake up every day, you they go work. These days, people don't they collapse, die. People don't they die inside house. People don't they everything don't they do everybody. We know they know what thing they go on. Before for Africa, if this kind of thing they happen, we go they say witchcraft don't happen. This one. What about now when the thing they happen for Obodo Yibo? How we want to call this one now? We want to say now Yibo now they do witchcraft. I be waiting they happen now. I don't understand. Now we ourselves, we neglect ourselves by ourselves. You get stress, you know go fit talk. You get stress, you know go fit call your sister or your brother to talk because you dey fear. The thing be say, when you get your wahala, you talk about her. Anybody we won't carry and go talk for anywhere, it no concern you. The thing be say, at that moment, where the thing they worry you, you don't free your mind. And that thing now you need at that time, because if you no talk am, you go explode. Stress, they bring many other illnesses for body. Stress no good. May you not stress yourself. I may not give anybody the opportunity to stress you. Because once your body, you see the whole body, they function from brain. And when something don't affect your nerves, your whole body be affected. And every other thing, when your cells, body cells don't weak, any sickness will attack you. If your immune system not this strong, anything can come into your body and attack you. I know be doctor, I just talk for what I know. Before doctors won't come, we get traditional medicine. So the thing be say, I dey tell una for this checkup where they take place once a year. You don't get to pay anything. Now just to go hospital, go give them your insurance card. And they go check you, control you, everything. Your breast or your vagina, your uterus, everything. They go control them for you come out. Women don't they die now plenty. When this thing, before you won't wake up, say maybe they go hospital, where time don't pass. Time don't pass. And before you won't go reach there, where this thing go don't eat you. Go stage. Go reach stage where they no fit cure you again. So I dey beg una fellow women. I know say people where they work, they go say that they work, they no get time. People where know they work, they say they know the other ones where they work, they go they insult them. Say they sit down for house, they eat social money. If you no feel work, you dey inside house, you dey eat social money, no be any wahala. If you be don't work, time day where you no feel work, or even you get a problem where you no permit you to work, no be insults. It no mean say you go sit down for house because you dey fear people no go insult you, say this one no dey work or this one they do this thing. You go just isolate yourself there inside house because they fear insults. No go kill yourself. No kill yourself at all. Because whether you dey work or you know they work, people will always talk. People talk all the time. Time don't reach where we're supposed to close ear for all this nonsense. Time don't reach where we get to close ear. People wey know they sick, they wake up today, they die. People wey know they sick, you they wake up tomorrow, here say they don't die. See, COVID-19 don't come. It don't clear place like dust. It don't kill many people where we they know be sick. When you dey alive, you get life, you get health. Now it be your wealth. Any other one where you put for bank, no be your own. The one where you eat for your belly, as people they talk, now it be your own. Now they create awareness, say I beg. When you they get heavy bleeding, when your monthly menstruation come, and it no finish for the days where you supposed to finish, go hospital. When the bleeding they come heavy, it they clot. Clots, we say they do bundle. Go hospital, biko. Make una no carry and sit down for house. If your menstruation day one kind, they black, it smell anyhow, go hospital. No carry and sit down for inside house. This thing, it don't they kill women plenty. I beg. Now where tell see day. Now me I dey take my ear, they hear a lot of things. and they come to come tell one another to create awareness. Wetin other woman no know, other one go tell her. Women, abeg, make una dey carry una self, dey go hospital. Now once in a year, once in 1 year, you go for hospital there. Then begin dey control your body. Now through that one, they go take know quickly if anything won't affect your body or anything don't start for your body. They go find them out where they go fit treat them. No wait may you reach for stage where you no go fit do anything again. That one na no go good. Abeg, now I say make I come tell una. Person wey no be know so na so it happen. Make you know now. So you fit dey go hospital, take appointment with your woman doctor, your gynecologist. Take appointment now. If you never take them from the beginning of the year, go collect them now. And anytime where you go, as soon as you finish the appointment, they go give you the other appointment for the next year immediately. And the way where they do the thing be say, when you go now, they go check your body anyhow. Then when they finish, they go ask you whether you want make them go deeper into the control. Go deeper into the control, like maybe they go want to take a little breast milk out of your breast. Make them really look for inside. You know, check you very, very well. That one, they go say, okay, you go pay small money join. Because insurance no they reach that side. But the one where insurance they reach at least, make you now go they do that one. I beg. Make person no go sit down there. Go talk, say, I know they sick. But when you don't know what they go on for your body, whether you they sick or not, just go the control. Go. Just go there. No waste time. These things where I don't tell una. If you they bleed heavily, go hospital. If that pain, that menstrual pain, they pain you, if they insist. No be saying that every month you go they suffer pain. The pain, it might get something where they behind. Waka go they go hospital. Biko. Make una no sit down for inside house. Now this one I say make I can't tell una. May God bless una. As una watch, may una help us to share. Help us to share. Wey mean say fellow women, they need to hear this one. May una help us to share. Make una help us to subscribe for this channel. May we they help one another. May God bless una. Una take care for una self. Now una own mommy tea be this so. Mommy tea for 30. Mommy tea original. Number 1, number 2 no day. Okay, may God bless una. May we stay together, stay healthy, and stay longer to reap the fruits of our labor. We dey work too hard. So make we dey stay healthy so that we will feed the chop which we dey work for. In Jesus' name. May God be with you until we see you again next time. Bye. Bye-bye.